Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today I've ordered new shoes, but I'm just waiting until it arrives. So let's get right into it. Welcome to Daniel's world. Oh, my shoes have arrived. Oh, there's no one there. Oh. We can unbox it outside. And guys, you can already see from the back it's Nike. And it wasn't that much. So we're going to unbox it now. It's going to be a bit satisfying. So 3, 2, 1. That was nice. If you've seen the Nintendo Switch one, I tried to do the exact same, but it was a complete disaster. So this you don't need to know. And this is the real package. Oh, this package is so nice. You can already see it's from Jordan and Nike collab. It's all nice. It's just, this bit is really cool. And now let's see the inside. You won't see it yet because the wrapping, but in 3, 2, 1. There's one of the Jordans. That is nice. And here's the second one. Oh, they're quite heavy too. That is so nice, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna actually put it on. So I'm gonna take these things out. I might want to untie this. So guys, first of all, before I put it on, I'm gonna tell you what it says. So obviously it says 23 engineered from Jordan. He doesn't play anymore, and the Jordan sign over there. Inside it says also 23 and then the Jordan sign. And then it says 23 engineer, and it says the logo here and air. So now let's put it on. And if you don't know, I'm wearing a Jordan shirt, and that was basically the hint of the video if you didn't know. So let's put these on. Oh, they fit me. Wow, they actually feel pretty nice. Let's tie them up. Wait, how do I? Oh, yeah. Sorry guys for the wait. Oh, messed up. Fast forward. Oh, guys, done. Right, they're kind of tight and the laces are pretty small. I'm jumping in them. I'm gonna bring them up close. They look quite big. I'm gonna spin. And now I might hit a shot with this. So I'm not gonna get the basketball out. I'll get one of the footballs. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry guys, the floor is not level, so. Oh! Now I got the real basketball. Oh! Nearly get them in. This time I'm gonna do a proper one. Guys, today I'm a bit washed. Right, it's a real time to shine. I keep on missing, guys. I'm just doing this because I'm gonna do a couple more. Yes! Finally. Enough. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you haven't seen my other videos, they're in the corners. Bye guys, see you soon. Peace.